30-watt 50-watt CO2 flying laser marking machine. One-click power on, easy to operate. More intuitive interface operating system. Screw drive to maintain better machining accuracy. Log into the administrator, click the Settings button. Select the language tag, and switch languages. The marking content can be text, SN code, QR code, etc. Easy to set font, size, and expected marking area. To meet the needs of different working conditions. Conventional marking materials include non-metallic materials such as wood, ceramics, and plastics. Wooden hanger marking display sample.